Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to add a vignette effect in DaVinci Resolve, and here's how to do it. First, go to Edit tab. Then click on the effects at the top of the screen. Here, scroll down and click the Open FX. Search the vignette and drag it into your video clip. Then open the inspector panel to modify. Here you can adjust the size and how large the vignette appears. Then also, you can adjust the softness, control how smooth the vignette fades. And 3, for advanced customization, expand the operating mode and select Advanced. Modify the vignette shape and use X and Y sliders to reposition it. And then here, click on the black color box and choose the desired tint. And then after choosing your favorite color, you can click OK. And that's it. You can now enjoy a cinematic and professional looking vignette effect. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.